Skyfront MagniPhy enhances surveying, mineral prospecting, and UXO detection. Skyfront, a leader in high-endurance hybrid drones, has launched the Skyfront MagniPhy, its latest drone magnetometer solution. This new tool is designed for various applications, including surveying, mineral prospecting, detecting orphaned wellheads, and finding landmines and unexploded ordnance, UXO. Drone magnometer. The Skyfront MagniPhy features a new enclosure and universal attachment mechanism that enhance data quality, efficiency, and safety. Compatible with third-party magnetometer sensors and a wide range of drones, including DJI, ArduPilot, and PX4-based drones, this solution was developed in collaboration with Geometrics, the maker of the MagArrow II UAS-enabled magnetometer. Existing users of the MagArrow and operators of other drone magnetometers can have their current equipment retrofitted with the MagniPhy system by Skyfront. This service offers a quick turnaround, or operators can opt for a self-service kit for retrofitting. New customers seeking to locate subterranean objects can also benefit from this technology. The Skyfront MagniPhy provides significantly improved data quality and enhanced ability to detect subterranean objects. Its rigid attachment ensures a stable magnetometer heading during flight, and its distance from the drone minimizes magnetic noise. The aerodynamic design improves performance in high winds by reducing instrument motion and associated noise. Additionally, the system's portability, with the ability to fold from 16.4 feet to 1.4 feet, and its Quick Connect feature enhance operational efficiency. The magnetometer also boasts approximately 8 hours of battery life with swappable batteries and reduces the risk of snagging on trees during low canopy flights. Drone magnometer Skyfront MagniPhy. Skyfront also offers the highest endurance hybrid gas-electric multi-copter drones, with flight times exceeding 5 hours. These drones are used by customers in over 30 countries for various applications, including locating abandoned oil and gas wellheads in the United States and detecting landmines and UXO in Ukraine. Magnetometer operators and geophysicists no longer need to rely on helicopters, which are less safe and produce an inferior product for a greater cost, or traditional battery-powered drones, which only fly for about 30 minutes and create inefficiencies. Skyfront's solution revolutionizes magnetic surveying capabilities and reduces field time from weeks to days, says a company announcement. Juniper Unmanned helps enterprises unleash the power of remote sensing and analytics, and we're excited to use Skyfront's next-generation drone magnetometer and our geophysical interpretation techniques to produce accurate maps of buried infrastructure, said Jeff Cozart, founder and CEO of Juniper Unmanned. We're excited to advance the $30B plus defense and geophysical services markets with Skyfront MagniPhy, our next-generation drone magnetometer, which has been integrated into Skyfront's perimeter line of drones, the highest endurance hybrid multi-copter drones in the world, said Troy Messler, CEO of Skyfront.